Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Half-Life 2 mods without Steam. Start by extracting the HL2 GCF or pack files using a tool, then copy the extracted folder to a clean directory. Install a non-Steam launcher or use HL2. exe from the extracted files with the game parameter pointing to the mod folder. Test a simple mod first, fix missing assets, and adjust launch options. In this video, I will show how to play Half-Life 2 mods without Steam. Open your HL2 content container with GCFscape and export the folder tree to a new location on your drive. Keep maps, materials, and models in their native directories to avoid path errors. If you find a missing file error, re-extract that asset specifically and restart the game launcher to confirm the asset loads correctly. In this video, I will show how to play Half-Life 2 mods without Steam. Create a shortcut to HL2. exe and add game mod folder to the target field so the engine points to your mod. Add useful flags such as console or dev to capture errors and speed up troubleshooting. Save a copy of the working shortcut and label it clearly so you can return to the mod without repeating setup steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.